Hello Stampers, my name is Janet Pride, and today I'm going to show you how to create this Sheetloads of Cards for February 2026. This is our layout, again, if you want to get the sheet load, you'll have to go to Call Me Crafty Al's page on YouTube, become a member, and then you can download these templates. I'm not going to give you today any measurements of anything that's here, because it's all on the layout. Okay, so you just get your little layout, and then you should be able to create this. I'm going to be doing this layout with this paper, beautiful paper. I had not used this yet. I'm solely using all the nice paper, but it's Brush Beauty 12 by 12 paper. Very, very pretty and flowery, and just beautiful paper, beautiful paper. I want to create a bunch more with this, of course. If you don't have a pack of this, I'll link it below so you can get yourself a pack of this, and you can create some cards, what we're doing today, plus whatever else you, of course, that you like to do. Okay, so that's the paper I'm using today. I'm also using some of I forget what they call these. Every month they give them for $5. This is our Fabulous Sayings. It is I think it's a bonus. I don't know what they call it. It's bonus something. No, it's not bonus anything. I don't know what the name of it is. But anyways, I'm going to link it below. It's going to be $5 if you order $75 worth of products. So once you buy $75 worth of products, you can get this for $5. And today I'm going to use a thank you from this stamp set, which is awesome. You can also get this if you order something on my store as well. Okay, all right, so I'm going to cut out the papers to the sizes that she recommends. So today I'm going to use a Mossy Meadow for a card. It's a regular A2 size card, vertical, and then I cut a piece of the beautiful paper. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't even want to cover it like this because it's so pretty. So I'm going to put this on top here for the top of my card. This is the front of your card. Put some of our glue here, and then we'll put it on our card front. Okay, it's good enough right there. And I will kind of center it on your paper there, so it's not one-sided. Okay, and then you're going to have a piece of vellum. With the vellum, you're going to tear it. So you're going to take the long side and you're going to tear. And I usually like to tear coming in towards me. So you tear towards you, and you're just tearing the little edge. Okay, so I'm tearing just a little edge on both sides. So this is one side, and then we're going to go to the other side and tear. Okay, both of these pieces in the front will be torn, so it has this little tear look. Some people might have scissors that do this. I remember when I was younger, I used to have a pair of scissors that made things look torn up. All right, and this is what's going to go in the front of our card, like right here. Okay, and then this one is also torn. So to start it, I kind of just go forward, and then I come back and I tear. And little by little, get to your destination. This is definitely not a project you want to do for a whole bunch of people, but you can do 1 or 2, 3 or 4. I've done a few already, so it's been a process of a few days. There we go. Okay, so we can throw all those scraps away. All right, so this is what we're using. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of this. Kind of put it not all the way to the end, but just put it to maybe about a little ½ an inch from the border on both sides. And then I flip it and I put it right on top here. That part you're not really going to see, so it's fine if it's has a little glue. Usually the glue will bleed through, so if you're going to see that part, you don't want to see it because it's going to not look right. Okay, and then this, we're going to put it on front here, like so. Before I do that, I'm using some of this Baker's Twine Essentials pack. I'm using the one that looks like linen thread. And I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to use some tape to hold it down for me at the tip here. So I like to do a little like try look. So you're going to go in, across, across, and across, like so. I do 3 of them, and then I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to get another piece of tape and hold that other end down. Hold it there. Okay, like so. So I'll have that happening like this. I kind of bring it up. I want to have it wider on the outside, and then I do a narrow in the middle. And I hold it together with a little tiny piece of tape, like so. Kind of crunch it together so you have like that kind of look, okay? Then in the back, we're going to put some more glue. I actually put some of the tape, the runner tape that we have, and that didn't stay, so I am going to be using glue. The glue always is a faithful thing for me. See how you can see the lines already? So we're going to put this over it, and you won't see any lines. It'll be all covered. Okay, and then you just press down to keep it where you want it. Press in all the corners. Put your glue. Press down. Okay. And then I have made a label using our hexagon punch. I love this punch. I've been using it over and over again, so I really highly recommend this. And then I used one of our new stamps called Simply Beautiful. I used to the Happy Couple, and I'm gonna put some little yeah, this one, some little pieces of our dimensionals on this on the back to hold it. I'm gonna show you some more I made like this, and then a little variation of this one, and then some with some retired paper I had. I've been making some Valentine's cards, and I used some of the retired Valentine's paper to make some. So I'll show you those in a minute. Stay tuned. My videos are usually not too long, so it shouldn't be too bad, right? Okay, so here's this. Now I have some of the beautiful Pearls of Beauty, and I'm going to use these for this one. These are like, I think they're like crumb cake. I'm not sure what color this is. If it's crumb cake or what. But it's a little brownish color, tannish color. There, and let's go here. Okay, there it goes. That's my card, and you can decorate the inside. I have some more paper here. You could probably cut a piece and put a piece, cut half of this and put a piece at the bottom. to decorate your card. And if you want to put an inside message, you can as well. I'm going to show you the cards I had made already. Some of them look just like this one, but some of them have a little variation. One of them has a variation. And I just want to show you that. And then we'll be done, okay? So here's the other two I created. These are thank yous. These thank yous are from our stamp set. That is $5. These fabulous sayings, okay? And this one I used the khaki, or not khaki, but looks like crumb cake. This one I used the one that looks like Calypso Coral for my dimensionals. And then the little variation I did was I used the back of the paper. Once you cut this, you'll have a piece left like this. And I used that and I put it in the background, if you can see it there. I don't know which one you like better, with the background or without it, right? It's hard to decide. All right, and then so I have those created with the beautiful paper, and then I made some with old paper. This is some of the old paper from Valentine's, I think it was last year or the year before. We had this Valentine's paper. I love this paper, and the stamp set, I just absolutely love this. And I'm so sad it went away, so I still use it. I go crazy over that. So I've already decorated these inside and outside. So here are these. This is a different paper here. I think it's the same packet, just different, because these Valentine's colors had purples in them. It's so pretty. It's usually reds and pinks and, you know, things like that, but these had like purples in them, and it had a little pop of purple. It looks really nice. So these are the other cards I created with expired paper. Okay, if you have some of this paper, please feel welcome to do this. You still see the vellum here in the back. This is a really nice, cute layout. I thought I was not gonna like it when I saw it. I was like, oh no, I don't like that. But now I started making it and I really enjoyed it. So hopefully you will as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.